This screencast will guide you through the process of setting up Canvas courses ready for online group tutorial meetings between tutors and students. This screencast will also cover how to navigate the course and then how to enrol tutors and students. HEFI have created a Canvas course ready for the online group tutorial meetings using a standardized template. You will be granted access to your program sub-account to access these courses. There will be one online group tutorial course per tutor. Once tutors have been enrolled in these courses, they will be able to access them via the Canvas course menu or dashboard. They will then be able to set up Zoom meetings within the course via the in-course Zoom link. Creating Zoom meetings via the Canvas course ensures they are automatically added to the Canvas calendar and Zoom list inside the course. This means it's easier for students to access their online group tutorial meetings. Please note, there is no requirement to use roll call for capturing attendance at online tutorials this year, but Zoom attendance data will be available in the engagement dashboard. First, you will need to navigate to the online group tutorial courses. To do this, you will be granted admin access to the OGT sub-account relating to your program. To access this sub-account, first go to the Global Navigation menu in Canvas and select the Admin button. Selecting this will display all sub-accounts you currently have admin access to. For the online group tutorial sub-account, you will need to search for a sub-account that has the program name followed by OGT. Clicking this will then open the sub-account. Once you have opened the sub-account, you will see a list of OGT courses. The OGT courses naming convention is Online Group Tutorial followed by the tutor's name. To access a course, simply select the course, and this will open the home page. Once the course is open, you will then need to start updating the information relating to the course. First thing you will need to do is update the home page. To do this, select Edit on the top right hand side. This will then display the editor. Once the editor is open, the first thing you will need to do is change the email address in line with the word contact. This needs to be updated to the tutor's email address. Once you have done this, you will then also need to add the program administration email address. This needs to be done in line with where it states, contact your program administration team. Select next to this and add your program admin email. Once you have updated this information, select Save on the bottom right hand side. Next, you will need to add the students to the course. To do this, select People from the in-course navigation menu. Once this is open, select the plus People button from the right hand side. From there, under where it says Add Users By, select the radio button Login IDs. And then enter the login IDs/usernames of the students. Once you have done this, go down to where it says Role and make sure it is set to Student. It should be set to Student by default. Once you have done this, select Next. This will then display all the students who you have added, and you can select Add Users if you are happy. Adding tutors and students via the Canvas course will send invitations directly to them. Once the invitations have been accepted, the pending next to the tutors and students' names will disappear.